Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
General Shabane is just like, you know what? Oh, killings. Everyone was at that house, at Makomalo's house, must just be arrested. Although he didn't put it that way, but it's more like how we've been saying, but it's more like, can all of them start talking? And it's going to happen, guys. And just still think they're going to get away with it and think the Mayowazi don't matter. You know, or sense of Mayo for that matter, it doesn't matter. And they're going to start singing like canaries very soon. Mark my words. Thing that Baloyi is doing, busy denying General Shabane opportunity to speak, is not right. As you know, stop. You've already given your evidence in chief. Really? It's wrong. Why General Shabane, guys, at some stage you're busy contradicting himself. And Abiyati, no, you know, maybe these guys could have actually analyzed Senzo. I'm just like, now, you don't know what you're doing. Nini Ubaloyi was there, he knows he's a liar. I guess we are bored actually. And Baloyi also, the pushing and the pushing. Guys, like, how is this even gonna help anything? When we know very well there were no intruders in the house. A person was in the house there. At Kelly's house is the one that shot Senzo Mayo. You busy creating your own narrative. At that time. It needs to stop at some stage, actually. At the end of the day, Ubaloyi likes forcing things, guys. Yeah, no, it's a lot for General. I think General must go now. General doesn't tell. He doesn't deserve this. I just feel like man just Baloyi. And at some stage, he was busy with Baloyi. Was now Baloyi. Was what has been going on here? Most of those mangas. And then when they was he arrested. That one we figured it out already in 2024. Because Umakubo who arrested Officer Utlendul, guys. Can we get that straight, please? He was arrested. And in 2018 for that matter. Long before this guy. Because we've been talking about that. No, but what have they done? Zero. Nothing. They've never helped that family. Those people. They always act like they care. They don't. Those people. They don't care about anyone else. What are they after? They after Imal. Pearl. That's all. Officer Mayiwa repeated it again on the 19th of May. Listen, Ivan Khoza said it. The person that shot your brother was inside the house. And then people have their own versions. We are tired of that, guys. The Mayiwazi must be listened to after they took their letter to Union Buildings. Listen, those 5 accused are not the ones. Abantu basendlini. I've said it so many times. People who were in the house, they must be arrested, all of them. They will sing like canaries. It's as simple as that. 2 days nje down the line, okay, will be like, I'm tired. Please. Nangumuntu okufanele ngabe nginambopha. Silly, okay. Very, very silly. And I feel good they've been given too much airtime to play around. You understand? It's time. We are tired. Actually. Another thing of always bringing up Umngomezulu and no Shabane Pizupakati inside on the thing, it will never work. That's why I'm just like, please leave it alone. Even though advocates was like, and then Makubo must come here and answer those things. And then Umngomezulu ngenapi. Let Umngomezulu guys must rest now. Because as it is now, we're not happy in the Lahambanga Umngomezulu. It's still very sketchy. You know? So can we not be bringing late Ngomezulu's name into this? And nokuthi ene accused number 1 umuzi kakhulu eLasbiya, it's a blue lie ukuthi washawa. How is it a blue lie? Because washawa at the end of the day ukuthi you didn't see the bruises. Ngisho uGeneral Shabane at that point ukuthi you didn't see the bruises, mhlawumbe singena ngaliphi iwindi thina lapho.
Ukuthi uyena into ayibonela yona nokuthi ukuthi-ke ngesikhathi-ke mina enganginaye ngaso akazange ngitshele lutho ngalokho, kodwa-ke manje sesindawonye-ke uMakhubu noSibiya yilapho akusho khona.
Because that is also the note that we have made, that you testify that Constable Zungu said Unkani is also involved in Mr. Senzo Meyiwa's case.
Yes, my lord. On that day when I was with Makhubu, Zungu, and Sibiya.
Yikho-ke nathi esibhalile lokho-ke ukuthi-ke ushilo ukuthi-ke uZungu washo ukuthi uNkani naye wayekhona-ke yebo ngalelo langa lelo-ke engangindawonye noMakhubu, uSibiya kanye noZungu.
As told by his relative Gwabini.
Nanjengoba watshelwa yisihlobo sakhe uGwabeni.
And this is when now Warrant Officer Makhubu refuted that and said, but it cannot be, as he had arrested Unkani. Is that correct?
No, my lord did not specify the date in which Nkani was arrested. He just said he knows Nkani, and he also arrested him, and at some point he was at prison. And I said, even if it's like that, my lord, but from here, you start to take Zungu and do the investigation. But lastly say, I'm prepared to work with him, but you must be prepared to give me Gwabini, but I will work with him. It's what Makhubu said, my lord.
Ukuthi-ke uNkani-ke waye khona-ke noma-ke ukuthi-ke yila khona uMakhubu wasekuphikisa-ke lokho ethi cha uNkani-ke wayesejele ngaleso sikhathi, kodwa-ke akakaze asisho isikhathi uMakhubu noma-ke asho idate ukuthi njena-ke wathi cha uyazile ukuthi wayesejele nokuthi-ke uyena-ke owambopha, kodwa-ke kulokho-ke washo-ke ukuthi-ke noma-ke kwaba yimina othi kuyena-ke, kodwa-ke kulokhu okushiwo uZungu kuzofanele manje uthatheke ubese uyaqhubeka-ke nophenyo. Washo yena-ke wathi uyimisela ukuthi-ke angasebenza naye aqhubeke, kodwa-ke kuzofanele-ke amnikezeke imininingwane ngaye uGwabeni.
Well, the version of accused number 5, Nkani Ntuli, is that he was not in prison on the 26th of October 2014.
I cannot dispute that, my lord.
Inkulumo yakhe-ke umsola wesihlanu uFiso Kuhle Ntuli-ke uthi yena ngazo i-26 zika October 2014 wayengekho ejele, angeke ngikuphikise lokho.
So if the import of what Warrant Officer Makhubu was saying was that in response to what Constable Zungu was saying, that Unkani was involved in the Senzo Meyiwa case, if the import thereof is that he was in prison on the 26th of October 2014, that will not be correct.
Now, if Makhubu is saying that he was not in prison, and then Makhubu says that he was in prison, it's another story.
Yes.
Manje-ke kule nkulumo lena uZungu uthi uFiso Kuhle Ntuli wayekhona-ke noma wayeyingxenye kwisigameko sakhe uSenzo Meyiwa, bese-ke kulokho uMakhubu yena athi cha ngeke kwenzeke-ke ngoba-ke uNkani-ke wayesejele ngaleso sikhathi leso-ke. Manje-ke uma ngabe-ke inkulumo kaZungu-ke ithi lona-ke wayekhona-ke kwisigameko lesi-ke uNkani, bese kuthi-ke uMakhubu yena athi cha wayesejele. Let me say if that is not.
No, it means there's possibility that he was there, that he's there because of, they are sure that by the day the crime was committed, Nkani was not in jail, but was outside.
Kungenzeka-ke kuleyo nkulumo leyo-ke ukuthi ngempela-ke wayekhona-ke noma-ke eyingxenye-ke yesigameko ngoba uma ngabe-ke bevumelana-ke noma besho ukuthi cha noma esho yena ukuthi cha ngelanga lesigameko wayengekho ejele, kusho ukuthi-ke kungenzeka ukuthi wayekhona kusona isigameko.
His version is found in the record of the 26th of July 2024, page 54, from line 6 through his counsel, Advocate Nshololo. And we're just briefly going to put that on record. It says, okay, let us move on with the accused version. Let us move on with the accused version for the second time. He says on 26 October 2014, he was at work until 3 p.m. on that day, and then he met with accused 3 and 4 at Josh Koch Hostel around 5 p.m. on 26 October 2014. And at the time when he met with accused 3 and 4, he was using the previous numbers. that I've just read in the record. We will give you a copy just now. And further on in the middle of the page, he says, thereafter proceeded with accused 3 and 4. They left Josh Koch with accused 3 and 4. And then on their way, when they were going to the flat where they stay, they dropped accused number 4 at the corner of Jules and Sinclair in Johannesburg CBD. They then proceeded accused 3 and 5 to corner Main and Nuggets Street where they stayed, to the flat where they stayed.
My Lord, I cannot dispute that.
Ukuthi-ke ngalelo langa lelo-ke umsola wesihlanu-ke uyasho-ke ukuthi-ke wayesemsebenzini wasephuma-ke emsebenzini ngo-3 la ahamba khona-ke ayohlangana khona nomsola wesibili owesithathu kanye nowesine base behamba-ke usuka lapho-ke beya-ke khona ye-Main ne-Nugget ila abafika khona-ke badiliza umsola wesine base beqhubeka-ke nomsola wesithathu. Angeke ngikuphikise lokho
Because I was not there, my Lord.
ngoba ngangingekho la
And I did not have that information, my Lord.
futhi-ke ulwazi lolo ngangingenalo.
So, and this is a photo on page 17 of Exhibit S, depicting accused number 3 and 5, taken on 26 October 2014 at 17:28 and 39 seconds.
Yes, my Lord.
Lesi-ke isithombe sangazo i-26 October 2014 sikamsola wesithathu kanye nowesihlanu isikhathi-ke sathathwa ngaso 17:28 nama-seconds awu-39. Yebo bosenkantolo.
So once again, if Warrant Officer Makuba was implying that accused number 5, Nkani Ntuli, was in custody on the 26th of October 2014, that would be incorrect.
I think this issue has been raised. The context under which that was made was in relation to 2017, not to the 26th of October 2014. So even the General, he has answered this, and I don't think there's anything further that the General can say about the proposition that was made by Mr. Ngomezo.
But also, my Lord, and this is with the greatest respect to the state. The state is drawing its own inferences because he says what can be inferred from Mr. Makubu's statement is that accused number 5 on the 26th of October 2014 was in prison because he had arrested him. But that is not what is coming from this witness, General Shabane, as to something that could have been said by Mr. Makubu. That is all hearsay. The veracity of what Mr. Makubu said to this witness lies with Mr. Makubu. We don't need to interpret what Mr. Makubu said because he's still alive. If the state wants to understand what Mr. Makubu actually meant to say when he said or when he gave that answer or that explanation in that meeting of Mr. Zungu, General Sevilla, and General Ishabani, state must call Mr. Makubu to come and verify or to come and explain what is it that he meant when he said it cannot be because he had arrested him in respect of another case.
Yeah, I hear that, but what about the version of accused number 5? You must ignore it.
No, I'm not saying my question.
No, I'm just asking, what should happen to it? Because his counsel actually says this is where he was, and he mentions it in the Times.
Yes, but that cannot be juxtaposed with what Mr. Makubu said. Mr. Makubu could have been referring to something in a different place. So it's wrong to put a supposition to this witness and say that it can therefore be inferred that Mr. Makubo, this is what he meant. And that inference is therefore wrong, because on this day, this photo is telling a different story. What I'm saying is, my lord, that if the states want to know what is it that Mr. Makubo was actually saying, the state must call Mr. Makubo and ask him what is it that you were meaning when you said that it could not be so that Mr. Ntuli could not have been him because I had arrested him. Because Mr. Makubo does not put a date there. That is a total standalone from what the version of Mr. Ntuli is, as it was put on record by his counsel, Advocate Michelle.
Yes, okay, fine. Let's hear.
Further to add to that, the passage that was read to the witness before the lunch break, amongst others, it says, Makubo arrested Nkani on the 13th of August 2018. That is the context within which we must understand that passage, not the 26th of October 2014, my lord. That's the court cases.
Well, my lord, we're referring to this general's own evidence. He didn't speak about any other issues except what Constable Zungu said in his presence, and we thought we understood from Advocate Nisi that in light of the fact that the utterances by Warrant Officer Makubo was made in the presence of this witness, it's not hearsay. I thought that's what he argued the other day. But be that as may, this General Lushabane's own evidence is that he asked Constable Zungu to relate to General Sibiya and Warrant Officer Makubo as to what his version is, and he then says Unkani was also part of the people who were involved in the case of Senzo Meyiwa.